Too Far from 1977. The Big Heat from 1953. The Children's Hour from 1961. And Will Successful Rock Hunter. That's it. You want to watch A Bridge Too Far? Robert Redford. Have you seen it, Dad? The Big Heat. The Children's Hour. Let's watch The Children's Hour. See if we really would watch this.
My hand.
Smoke water? Shirley MacLaine, 1961.
Okay. Dad, water. Okay, stand up.